Okay, so now that you guys seen how effortless it was for me to apply this wig, again, let me reiterate. You guys seen that. I did not use any type of adhesive. The elastic band just laid this wig so well. And I did not go in and tweeze the hairline, although I am going to do that in the future. So for the sake of this video and just for my beginners, because this video is geared toward beginners, I wanted to show you guys exactly what you're going to get if you decide to purchase this wig and you don't want to put in any work. Because again, the knots come bleached and the hairline comes pre-plucked for you. All you have to do is wash it, and if you want, adhere it down with whatever choice. Sew the elastic band in it like I did, and sis, you're good to go. Okay? So let me tell you guys the exact specs about this unit. This is their GWB03 unit. And it's 12 inches long, 150% density. It's a 13x6 deep parting lace front wig. And again, the hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots come pre-bleached for you. That's amazing. I wish more companies would do that. It is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this wig is OhSo approved, okay? And if you are interested in purchasing from Geniuswigs, I'll link all their information down below. And my coupon code is 10OhSo. That will save you guys $10 off your entire order. And they're having a 30% off wig sale right now. So most of their wigs that's discounted are like around $88, and you cannot beat that. The texture of this wig is absolutely gorgeous. And I feel that this is another one of those units that you can just style endless ways. You can pull it up, like you can do cute little updos with this unit. But what I really enjoy about this wig is, like I said, the texture, because this is not too tight of a curl. It's one of those curls that I would add heat to. I would add heat to this wig because it will straighten very easily, and once you get it wet or you wash it, the curls bounce right back. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly human hair lace front wig and you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you do want a quality unit, I definitely suggest this wig. She's staying in my collection for a while because, sis, she looks good on me. And the parting space, oh, like it goes further back than what you see on my head right now. I tried to show you guys as best as possible when I was styling the wig how much parting space you get. You get a lot. You get a bang, 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 gang, 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 bang, 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 bang for your buck. And y'all know when I'm hyped, that means I'm feeling a wig. The density is definitely all there. If you wanted to comb this hair out and wear the texture more like a natural-ish, kind of blown out-ish look, you can achieve that. For my divas out there who love big hair like me, you can dye this hair, color it, whatever. Ooh, this hair would be so pretty burgundy. I do have a medium cap construction, and I didn't have to cut off like any of like the hair around the ear, and that's amazing to me because I do got a smaller head. And most wigs, even though I gravitate towards a medium-sized cap construction, I usually end up going back in and customizing the hair to my liking. But I don't have to do that with this wig. Like, Geniuswigs, come here, you're OhSo approved. I got a light amount of shedding when I manipulated it, when I was styling it. That's nothing, sis, that's nothing. And oh, when I washed this hair, one strand of hair came out. That's always an amazing sign to me when I'm dealing with curly hair. And you guys know, I know my curly hair because I'm a curly hair connoisseur. So I can tell you that this is good quality curly hair. So I want to thank Genius Hair for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. Again, I will leave the coupon code down below in case you're interested in purchasing. And I will also link a direct link to this wig and their website. I'm a believer, okay? So if you made it this far and you aren't a part of the family, I would love to have you. So please subscribe to my channel. If you guys know someone who would rock this unit, share this video. And don't forget to show your support by thumbsing up this video and commenting down below and let me know how you feel. Like, sis, this wig is a bop, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ain't goes bear. Ain't goes. Leg up.